How will I carry out the learning experience? First, gather all the children and read the story together. Who sank the boat? Ask the children, why did the boat sink at the end? Put water in water trough, give the children a boat and let them experiment with the boat floating. Then, before they put an animal in, ask, is this animal heavy or light? Will the boat stay up? Ask the children to take turns adding animals. Encourage them to look at the side of the boat to see if it is getting closer to the water. First, they should add the cow, followed by donkey, then sheep, pig, and the last one is the mouse. And observe, how can we put the animals in so the boat stays straight and balanced? Ask the children one thing that surprised them about the sinking boat.